I have carefully considered the mitigation of each of the accused persons as given orally and in writing, and part of which I have summarized in this ruling. I have also considered the various reports that were filed, the probation reports, medical report, the victim impact reports, as well as the certificates of the various courses undertaken by the accused persons during their incarceration, circumstances of this case, the meticulous planning, implementation, and the brutal execution of the deceased. To say the least, this was a most foul murder, an execution that was most heinous. I find that the most suitable sentence for each of the accused persons is as follows. The first accused is sentenced to death in each of the 3 counts. The death sentence in counts 2 and 3 are held in abeyance. Now, the second accused is sentenced to 30 years imprisonment with the prison terms running concurrently. The third accused is sentenced to 24 years imprisonment in each of the 3 counts with the prison terms running concurrently. The fifth accused is sentenced to 20 years imprisonment in each of the 3 counts with the prison terms running concurrently. In computing the sentences in paragraphs 2, 3, and 4, the prison authorities to take into account the period of each of the accused spent in custody during the pendency of this case. I also want to inform the accused persons that they have a right of appeal against both the conviction and the sentence within 14 days from today's date. So those are the orders of the court.